My name is Dominic DiBernardo. I'm the Director of Operations. It's an operational finance role, and I run all the annual planning, monthly reporting, and forecasting here at the company. We're a consulting firm in the construction management space. We offer cost management and project management services, and we've been around for about 20 years this year. When I joined, the financial close happened on the ninth business day of the month, and the profit center reports or profit center P&Ls would go out 4 weeks later. So once we implemented Vena and had the budget up and kind of got through our first cycle on Vena, we also rolled out reporting on Vena, and that reduced our reporting cycle from 4 weeks after the close to the same day as the close. And so since implementing Vena and automating a lot of the reporting that we were doing on a monthly basis, both internally and externally, we've quantified that to an annual savings of about $55,000 a year, which could be an accountant or a financial analyst just by implementing the software. On top of that, we got the 4-week savings on the release of our profit center P&Ls, which allows us to get out in front of issues and being proactive rather than reactive. We freed up the time that was spent putting reports together and aggregating data and manipulating and massaging the data to get it in the format that we needed to put it into a report. And now we spend more time on what I consider the value add side of finance, where we're doing analysis, we're doing forecasting. We're really able to spend our time partnering with the business to help them understand the levers they have in their business to increase margins, increase the top line, reduce expenses. And so Vena's really been critical. It's been the linchpin to really allow us to free up that time to spend on analysis versus just reporting.